Hello students, today we are going to learn a new chapter from your LCM book. Chapter name Operations on Large Number. Self practice 5A. So please be ready with your LCM book and copy. Okay, so this exercise self practice 5A based on addition and subtraction. Question number 1, add. We'll do question number F. Okay, first copy it. Okay, my dear student, listen. When we copy the numbers, what is the way to write? We'll start from the right side. We'll start from the ones place digit. First ones place digit, then 10 place. Okay, and one thing, just see that you just maintain the gap. Look, see the gap, see the gap, see the gap. Okay, otherwise what will be the problem? If you write the tens place digit in place of 100, if you write 1000 place in place of 10,000, the answer will be wrong. Just think your morning assembly, what happens there, that you class 5 student, here just class 5 student stand. Okay, like here ones place digit, ones place digit. Next class 6 students, next class 7, like this you are standing. Okay, so in the same way you write ones place digit just below ones place digit, tens place digit just below tens place digit, 100 place digit just below 100 place digit, in the same way. Is it clear? Now just do addition. Okay, so just we add ones place with ones place, tens with tens, 100 with 100, okay, and so on. Is it clear? Look, 3 plus 5 8, 6 plus 5 11, 1, carry here 1, and here 3 plus 1 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 4 7, and it's on. Is it clear, my dear student? Okay, so now come to the next question. Add. Okay, look, here it is not given in the previous way. You have to first arranging. In this question, okay, you already learned addition. Okay, you know everybody, but main thing is here arrange in proper way. Okay, so listen very carefully. Two things. First, when you arrange it, you start writing from your right side. That means starting from ones place digit, ones, tens, 100, and so on. Okay, and second thing is the gap between two digits. Look here. First you write 3, then 5. See the gap. See here the gap. Okay, maintain this gap. Otherwise, there will be chance of doing mistake, because if you write tens place in place of 100, it will be wrong. Is it clear, my dear student? Okay, now next 8, next 8, next 9, next 6, next 1, next 4, next 4. Is it clear? Okay, in this way you will write. Don't do any mistake. Okay, so in the same way you write the second number, in the same way you write the third number. Okay, in the same way you write the fourth number. So 4 6 5 2 7 7. Is it clear? Now as I told that you add ones with ones, okay, then tens with tens, next 100 with 100. Is it clear? So what is the main thing? Main thing is arranging number in the proper way. Okay, so first what will be the addition of this ones digit? So it will be 16, carry over 1, right here carry over 1. Okay, so now it will add, it will be 20, 21. Okay, the here write 1 and 2 is here, carry over. Add this, look, 8 plus 1, or here 10, 10, 5, 5, 20. Okay, so here 0, carry over 2, and here like this you will do the left also in the same way. Is it clear, my dear student? So don't do any mistake in arranging. Is it clear? Okay, now come to the next question. Copies and subtract. Check your answer with subtraction. Okay, we'll do question number 3B. First copy it. Okay, and while copy, two things I told to remember, that write ones place digit just below ones place, tens just below tens. Okay, and maintain the gap, and when you start writing, start from your right side, that is from ones, then tens, then 100, like this. Okay, now here subtraction. Okay, so here look, 8 and 7, can you subtract 8 from 7? No, because it is smaller. So what we have to do? We have to borrow. So we have to borrow from the previous digit. What is the previous digit? 0. Can you take anything from 0? No. Okay, so come to the previous. So what is here? 8. So 9. So from this 9 we will take 1. So if you take 1, it will be 8, and this 1, when it will be here or the next place, it will be 10. So just keep in your mind that you take 1 from here, but when it come to the next place, it will be 10. Okay, so 0 plus 10, 10. Okay, now from this 10 we will take 1, so it will be 9, and 10 plus 7, 17. Look, 17, and it will be 9. Is it clear, my dear student? Okay, now come to the calculation. 17 and here 8. Now just forget it. Now here calculate with 17. 17 and 8 subtract 9. 9 minus 9, 0. 8 minus 2, 8 minus 6, 2. Okay, now here again same problem, 7. So what we will do? We have to borrow from where? Borrow from 4. So after borrowing from 4, 4 will be 3 and 7 will be 17. Is it clear? In the same way we have already told. Okay, now do the subtraction. 17 and 8, 9, 3 and 1, 2. Okay, now 5 and 1. Can you subtract? No, because 1 is smaller than 5. So we have to borrow. So can you borrow from 0 anything? No. So come to the previous. Okay, again it is 0. So you cannot borrow from here. So come to the previous. It is 4. So if you borrow from 4, so 4 will be 3. Is it clear? Because minus 1, 4. Okay, now from this 3, okay, this 1 it will come here, and it will be 10 because it changed the place. Just next place it comes. Okay, so the 0 plus 10, 10. Okay, now from this 10 we'll take 1. So this 10 will be 9, and this 0 will be 10 because 10 plus 0. Is it clear? Okay, now from this 10, if we take 1, this 10 becomes 9, and from this 1, when it will here it will come this 1 and 10, it will be 11. Is it clear, my dear student? Okay, so you may not write this 10, this 10. Okay, you can do directly, no problem. Is it clear? Okay, now cut it, cut this 4, cut this 0, cut this 0. Okay, cut it here as you learn. Okay, this is not new things to you. Okay, now just do it here. Look, 11 and 5, it will be 6. 9 and 6, it will be 3. 9 and 3, it will be 6. And this, so look, it is 4. 4 becomes already 3. So this 3. Is it clear? Okay. Now come to the next. Copy. Check your answer. So how to check? Okay. To check that our calculation is correct or not, what we will do? We will just add these two digit, these two number. These two number we will just add. Okay, so first copy it, copy this number, then copy the this number. Okay, now you do addition. Okay, now see here, this number and this number same or not? Just check. 400, 400, 147, 147, 907, 907. Look, this number is same. That means our calculation is absolutely right. Is it clear? Okay. Okay, come to the next question. Question number 4. Okay. So subtract this. So here it is not arranging in the way. So first arrange properly. Okay. Just keep that two things. Maintaining the gap and starting from your right side. Okay. Don't write these things. This I have written for your borrowing. Okay, don't write it fast. Don't write it fast. Okay, now you tell from 0. Can you subtract 5? No. So we carry from, sorry, we borrow from 9. So if we borrow from 9, 9 will be 8 and 0 will be 10. Now do the subtraction. 10 and 5, it will be 5, and here 8 and 8, it will be 0. Now here see 1. So can you subtract? No. So what you have to do? We have to borrow from 0, but we cannot borrow from 0. So come to the previous. again 0, we come to the previous 5, so 5 becomes 4. Okay, now from this 4 and this another one come here, so it will be 10. Listen, the previous one we have written 10, but we are not written here 10, we directly written here 9. Is it clear? So you may write directly, so cut this 0, it will be 9, and from here, so it will be here 1, it will be 10, and from this 10 you take 9, so from this 9 you take 1, that means when it comes this place, it will be 10 plus 1, 11. Is it clear? Now do the calculation. 9 and 4, 5, 9 and 6, 3. Now here 4, can you subtract 9 from 4? No, so you have to again borrow, so you have to borrow from 5, 0, it is not possible, so you have to borrow from 9. Okay, so 9 will be 8. Now for here, from here, this 0 will be 10. Okay, so now from this 10 it will be 14 and it will be 9. Is it clear, my dear student? Okay, now do this calculation. 9 and 8, 1, and here 14 and 9. First do it. 14 and 9, 5, then 9 and 8, 1, and here this 8. Is it clear, my dear student? Okay, so you just do it directly as you learn. First cut it here, cut it here. One question may come arise in your mind, that sir, why here cut 0 but here 10, but we cut here 0 but here we write 9. So why? Look, because my dear student, from this 0 we are borrowing for 1 and this becomes 11, but is there any number for which we are borrowing from this 10? No, we are borrowing, that's why we write here 9. Okay, so how will just find? Look, it is cut 10. When you cut, the previous will be 8. Okay, so next it will be 11. So when you cut, don't write 10, just directly write 9, just directly write 9, just directly write 4. Stop, then do this. Okay, after doing this, so when you do, it will be 14. When you make it 14, make it 9 and make it 8. Hope you understood it well. Okay, come to question number 5. How much is 7 crore more than 5,78,000? Is it clear? So how much more? What will do? How much more? Subtraction. Okay, so first write 7 crore in numeral. Look, 7 and then 70. Next 5,78,000. You learn how to write it. Okay, now see the difference. How much more? We'll do the difference. Just do the subtraction. Is it clear, my dear students? Okay, do the calculation like this, borrowing. Okay, now write the answer statement. 7 crore is this more than 5,78,000. Okay, come to question number 6. What must be added to this to make it equal to 80 lakh? My dear student, just I am giving a short example. So so what must be added to make 10? Okay, what must be added to make 10 with 6? So what must be added with 6 to make it is 10? Okay, so what you will do? You already know that if you add 4 with 10, you will get, if you add 4 with 6, you will get 10. So from where this 4 you get, that you subtract this number from. Okay, is it clear? From the larger number you subtract this. So same way we will do. So first we will do, we write it 80 lakh is equal to, look, 80 and 4 lakh 50 written here. Now do the subtraction. Look, just do the calculation and write the answer statement. This must be added to this to make it equal to 80 lakh. Is it clear? Now copy and simplify. So first write it. Okay, now what we will do? First we will do this addition. Okay, so just here you do this addition. Actually it will be here. Okay, so do the addition. You will get it. here by mistake it will be here. Okay, so your answer is this. Now the remaining portion, what will be the remaining portion? Okay, you just copy here, don't change it, just write the remaining portion. Okay, now we will subtract this. So what will be? So after subtracting, it will be just this. Okay, actually here it is a problem to arranging, just make it. Is it clear, my dear student? So what will be the answer? This is the answer. Okay, now come to question number 8. Neha bought a fully furnished penthouse for 8 crore 75,000 rupees. If the cost of furnishing alone was this rupees, find the cost of the house. Okay, so what we will do? What is given? Neha bought a fully furnished penthouse. Penthouse means actually a luxury or a expensive flat on the top of a building. Okay, so it is given that the cost of flat, okay, and the cost of furnishing both, and the next one is given only furnishing. So what we will do? Just think, if sum of two digit given, one number, one digit, sum of two number given, one number given, so how to find the another number? Subtraction, same way. Okay, so first write 8 crore 75,000 means what? This means this, you write the numeral 8 crore, so write 8, no lakh, 00, 75,000, 75, then 000. Okay, now write the statement. So cost of fully furnished house is this. Now cost of only furnishing, okay, furnishing alone, this. Now how we find the left? So see the difference, this is the difference. So the cost of house was this rupees. Is it clear, my dear students? Hope you understand it well. Thank you. See you on next video.